Mitochondria. The mitochondrion is a membrane-bound organelle found in the cytoplasm of eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria have two membrane coverings. The outer membrane is very porous. The inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds create a large surface area for ATP generating chemical reactions. ATP is known as the energy currency of the cell. The energy is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate molecules. The body uses energy stored in ATP for making new chemical compounds. Mitochondria have their own DNA and ribosomes. Therefore, mitochondria are able to make some of their own proteins. Therefore, mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Plastids. Plastids are known as chloroplasts, are the double membrane bound organelles found only in plant cells. The internal organization of the plastids consists of numerous membrane layers embedded in a material called the stroma. There are two types of plastids: chromoplasts, colored plastids; leucoplasts, white or colorless plastids. Leucoplasts are primarily organelles in which materials such as starch, oils, and protein granules are stored. Plastids containing the pigment chlorophyll are known as chloroplasts. Chloroplasts are important for photosynthesis in plants. Plastids are similar to mitochondria in external structure and also have their own DNA and ribosomes like mitochondria.